trapped. A boy and his dog, Sheru, watched as a raging flood consumed their village. As the water rose, a glimmer of hope appeared in the sky. Sheru barked frantically, a desperate signal for help. They were spotted. A rescuer descended from above. His mission, bring them both to safety. First the boy. Secured and lifted away, he had to leave his friend behind. But Sheru didn't move. He waited, faithful. The hero returned, this time for man's best friend. Safe at last, reunited. A mother's tears of joy said it all. That day, everyone saw, loyalty isn't just a word, it's a lifeline.